Hi guys, welcome back for another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do pretty henna designs with zero henna skills or whatsoever. So as you can see, I bought these templates and they're from eBay and I just wanted to try them out. So Mum has already tried it out on me and she did it really well, so I just wanted to show you how easy it was and hopefully mine will look just as good as hers did. So as you can see, I showed you the one with kind of the thing in one piece. This is going too quick. But the other one, we basically like cut it up into bits so that it would like stick and lay on your hands a lot easier. So you need that, put some paper down or some towel or something just so you don't get any henna on your surfaces. And then also, of course, you need the henna. So I'll just start off by peeling off the template and sticking it down. So basically, this is the one that we used for me last time when Mum did it for me for Eid, or for an Eid event. And I basically just washed it and then stuck it back onto the paper thing that it came with, and then covered it with that clear plastic one that you just saw me peeling it off from. And it literally like sticks just as well as it did. It sticks really well actually. I wasn't sure if after washing it if it would lose some of that stick, but it didn't. So yeah, that's what I'm doing there. So I'm literally just going through and sticking each individual one on. Each individual section on, and like I said, it's just because we just found that when it was in kind of one whole piece it was kind of harder to line up on all the fingers and everything, so this way is definitely more effective and I would suggest it. Okay, and guys, it's like 10:39. I've had the longest day today. I'm so tired and I wish I'd done this earlier, but I hadn't, but never mind. It's been a fun day. Basically went and took my brother to back to uni, and then went to my auntie's PhD graduation party, and then we got home like an hour or so ago. I'm so tired. But anyway, so you just keep on sticking them each down, and once you're done, then we will move on to the next step in the process. Okay. And literally, this is like, I'm so glad that I found this template that, well, I thought about it because I love henna, but I'm so bad at doing it. So this is literally perfect. Oh, good God. I'm so tired. Okay, so it's all stuck down. So now you get your henna. This one my mom picked up from some like, I think it was like an Asian shop in Sheffield, but you can get it pretty much in any kind of Asian type of store anywhere, and you can also buy them online on like eBay and stuff. So taking the pin out. Okay, so all I did was squirt out the henna like in like big blobs, and then simply like kind of swipe it over the template. You'll see what I mean, and it should make more sense. So I literally just squirt a load out, and then I use the side of the henna to just kind of spread it so that it goes everywhere. Just like this. God, I'm so sleepy. As soon as I finish editing this video, I need to go to bed. Okay, so just carry on doing that the whole way through. Okay, nearly finished. And then once you're done, then literally you just leave it to dry for, well, my mom left it to dry for an hour. 1 hour later, and then guess what, guys? I forgot to record when I was peeling this off, which is really annoying because it was it was so satisfying. But basically, this is what was underneath when I peeled it off. How great is that? So you just need to literally wipe off the excess, and you're done. And it's just so simple, so pretty. or using a template. And you can get loads of different templates, but I'll leave a link down below to where I got this one from on eBay if you want to buy it as well. Okay guys, bye!